Setting clear goals for successful negotiations. Hello learners. Today, we'll delve deep into a crucial aspect of preparing for negotiations: identifying your goals. As the saying goes, if you don't know where you're going, any road will get you there. But in the world of business negotiations, a clear path is essential. Understanding your goals is paramount in any negotiation. Here's why. 1. Direction and purpose. Goals give you a clear direction and purpose. Without them, negotiations can easily go off track. 2. Prioritization. Knowing your goals helps you prioritize which issues are most important and which can be compromised on. 3. Measuring success. At the end of a negotiation, your goals act as a yardstick to measure if the negotiation was successful. There are mainly two types of goals in negotiations. 1. Substantive goals. These refer to the actual content or outcome of the negotiation. For example, I want to buy these goods at $50 per unit. 2. Relationship goals. These are related to the nature of the relationship between the negotiating parties. For example, I want to maintain a positive working relationship with this supplier. Remember, while substantive goals might seem the most obvious, don't overlook relationship goals. In the long run, how you negotiate can be just as important as what you negotiate. For your goals to be effective, they need to be smart. 1. Specific. Clearly define what you want to achieve. 2. Measurable. Ensure there's a way to measure the success of the goal. 3. Achievable. Set realistic goals that can be accomplished. 4. Relevant. The goals should be aligned with the overall objective of the negotiation. 5. Time-bound. Assign a specific timeline for when you want to achieve the goal. For instance, instead of saying, "I want a better price," a smart goal would be, "I want to reduce the price by 10% within this negotiation." Negotiations are dynamic. As information unfolds, you may need to revisit and adjust your goals. It's okay to do so, but always ensure they align with the broader objectives. That wraps up our discussion on identifying goals in negotiations. Remember, clear goals not only guide your path in negotiations but also determine the success of the outcome. We hope this video equips you to set clear, strategic goals in your next negotiation. Happy negotiating!